What do you do, my friend, if you live in Cambodia? Your motorbike or tuk-tuk is broken. First, you have to walk your motorbike or tuk-tuk to the mechanic where you can fix your motorbike. For motorbike mechanic or for fixing motorbike in Siem Reap city or everywhere in Cambodia, you can find on the street. Every street you will see motorbike mechanic with a lot of motorbike, a lot of people working there. Then the mechanic will check what happened to your motorbike, check out the tube. If the tube still good condition, the mechanic can fix motorbike. If the tube is not being able to fix, you have to change a new tube or you have to buy a new tube. Do you know how much it costs for new tube? It's $4. So $4 only. So at the workshop or mechanic can fix it for you easily. You just pay $4. So in this video, he checked my old tube. He put more air in the old tube and check it with the water. And then he said that there's 2 holes already in the old tube, so can't be used anymore. He recommend me to change a new tube, which is $4 only. So now he start taking the old tube out, and then prepare to put a new tube for me. So I would have a new tube. He start to put it back step by step. This is the old tube that not used anymore. I will take home for a recycle. Yeah, easily, simple. Yeah. Usually the old tube, when I bring home, I recycle it. I use the old tube for burning to start a cooking, like a firewood or charcoal. You need it to burn this old tube to start the firewood or charcoal. You use this one to cook food at home in Cambodia. We use a lot of firewood and charcoal for cooking, so we do need this old tube to extra for burning a lot. Look at this motorbike. It's almost finished. Yeah, he start to put the screw back, to put every screw, everything back in properly, one step by step. And then in next step, the motorbike will be fixed. Yeah, now we start to check it again. Yep, and it's done. And refill the ears, and he checked the quality of the tube, new tube. It is done. Yeah, and then he checked the brake here. Yeah, make sure that the brake is work properly after fixing motorbike, and also check the chains, and add a little bit oil to the chain and make sure it work correctly. So this fixing is ready. I have to pay only $4 for the tube, but not any extra for the service or working there. It's ready now. Yes, I ready to pick up motorbike, and I would be drive home safely. Thank you for watching this video.